Welcome to our comparison of the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk motherboards. In this video, we will delve into the specifications, features, and user experiences of these two popular options. Whether you're building a budget-friendly PC or a high-performance gaming rig, this video will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers an attractive option at just $119, making it a budget-friendly choice for gamers and general users. In contrast, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk comes in at a higher price of $219, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the ASUS board provides excellent value for its price, the MSI board justifies its cost with superior performance and additional functionalities. In terms of performance, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is designed for AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3rd Gen Ryzen processors, offering solid performance for everyday tasks and gaming. However, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk is built for the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, providing superior performance with enhanced features like Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The robust VRM design of the MSI board allows for better overclocking potential, making it the go-to choice for high-performance builds. Both motherboards come with a range of features, but they cater to different needs. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS includes essential features like Aura Sync RGB lighting and comprehensive cooling solutions, making it a great choice for budget builds. On the other hand, the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk boasts advanced features such as DDR5 memory support, M.2 Shield Frozzer for enhanced cooling, and extensive connectivity options, including Wi-Fi 6E, making it ideal for gamers and high-end users. In conclusion, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is an excellent choice for those looking for a budget-friendly motherboard with solid performance, while the MSI MAG B650 Tomahawk is perfect for users seeking advanced features and high performance. Depending on your needs and budget, either of these motherboards could be the right fit for your next build. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.